Working in a refinery can sometimes be very dangerous. That's why Beaumont and Port Arthur refinery are training their employees on how to respond to various situations. Fox 4's Kara Dixon is here in the studio to show us what they're learning. Kara?
Sheldra, while Motiva employees are on strike, working to get a safer environment, a plant in Port Arthur is training employees how to react in case an emergency does happen. Employees at BASF say they're trained 4 times a year on different scenarios, and knowing these skills will make a difference puts them at ease.
We had to rescue somebody off the top of one of our reactors out there on the unit.
In the 15 years Darren McCutcheon has worked at BASF in Port Arthur, the safety skills he's learned have been put to the test.
This training was invaluable that day. You know, it helped us do the job efficiently, and it did save the guy from having further injuries.
McCutcheon is one of many employees from the petrochemical plant who's training at the Industrial Rescue Instruction Systems and Tactical Center, known as IRIS for short. Owner David Owens says his company works with all sorts of response teams throughout the world.
And our goals every day is to go out and make a difference in somebody's life, whether it's actually doing it through emergency response or training other people to do what we do.
Training includes responses to hazardous materials, medical, and high-angle situations. McCutcheon says knowing his coworkers are capable of helping each other is satisfying.
It does create a better attitude out there because you know that somebody's going to be there to help you out if you need it and be trained well to do it.
Having guys in plant that can respond immediately could be a big difference between life and death for someone.
And safety at that plant also means safety for those on the outside.
So this ties into, they're trying to create a safer work environment for everybody out there at the plant, not just BASF employees, contractors as well. And anything we can do to make the plant safer for us, it's safer for the community.
Training courses are only a day and last about 8 hours. In the studio, Kara Dixon, Fox 4 News.
All right, Kara, thank you. Now an update.